Hey guys, here's a Polaris Razor 1000. Let you guys get a look at it. If you guys are wondering like what kind of accessories to get for it, let me talk to you right here. See this? Show you right here. You need to cover this up right here. This is not good. You need something to actually cover this rubber part, and maybe on this too. Right here, if you rip that boot, you're like going off-roading and stuff, and the grease may leak out and this may go bad. You do not want to do that. So a good investment is to buy something to cover this up and on the back. So go ahead and get a good look at this. It has LED lights, which is nice. EPS, electronic power steering. It's nice how it has doors. This is really sweet. This is a nice touch right here. Have a drain in the floor. Cool seats. This is a nice touch right here. Reduces neck rub. It's really nice how they have it so you can just kind of rinse it out with a water hose on the inside. That's a really nice touch. Something, this might be stainless. Right here. It looks like there's some rust right there. But it's a pretty good looking machine right here. Looks like this is actual like foil type stuff. This looks like something that might actually come off if it got really wet. And then I already showed you the boot on the front. Right here, you need something to cover this up. See, this looks like this is kind of protected going forward, but this one right here may need it as well. And if you go backwards, it's just not worth it. If you go to the dealer to get these things installed, it may cost quite a bit. And you should learn how to change out the CV axles yourself. I have a Suzuki King Quad, and I have changed out CV axles. So, there we go. Take a look. Looks like the air filter right there. And that's nice that this is actually metal. So this kind of gives you guys like a close-up. I wanted to look at the Polaris Razor 1000 close-up. Maybe look into getting a warranty if you guys do it. It's nice that they have this kind of like plastic to like help block the mud from, that's nice. Something else you might really want to rinse it off really well. Thoroughly. Might want to get the stuff out. See the door handle? That's nice. Opens this way. Depending on how you look at it, maybe right here. That's nice. The steering. This is so cool. I have a Polaris Ranger and a Suzuki King Quad. What's fun about Polaris, like part of it, is like they have such good like for me, like the suspension is like so amazing, like incredible. You guys want to look in there? I actually won my Polaris Ranger in a raffle. It was a blessing of the Lord. So here we go. So this may actually be an 18 if it says 2017 right there. Let's put this, looks like it goes and then slides in. Those are supposed to slide in. Wouldn't really want to lose that. This is supposed to be an 8. Let's see here. So, anyways, It's nice. It looks like it has stainless steel brake lines. That's really nice. Looks like it has adjustable shocks. Seems like something would be a lot of fun. Another upgrade I might recommend, actually 2 upgrades, is this right here is not cool. You do not want to puncture your radiator if you're out having fun and riding hard. You need to do some type of cover. Like I actually had like a stick or something, maybe in my Polaris Ranger, where it went through and like hit the radiator, and my radiator still seemed to work, but I actually made like a cover for mine. Also a winch is pretty high priority as well. But you really want to do like some type of cover like inside, like make something, because if you do have a stick go through there, it's not cool to be stranded, stuck. So I would say that's a high priority. The winch is a high priority, and covering, yes, here we go. So you really want to make something like a metal something, but it still needs to breathe or something so it can, to protect this. You don't want to be out in the middle, who knows where, and then get a stick in it, and then you break down, maybe overheat your engine. It's just not worth it. So that's definitely an upgrade. I think I've actually done a video on my Polaris Ranger. And maybe I even show you guys what I did with mine. But I think I went to the scrapyard and got another radiator cover grill or something, and I made one. So anyways, all right guys, if you guys like the video, please give the video a like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, and God bless you.